initially it started when there was an influx of cases, or 80 suspected cases within 2 weeks. All of these cases are reminiscent of the signs and symptoms of both of the...
And fourth one was the location. So with all that putting together, and we did some literature research, our main hypothesis was hepatitis A. So when we raised the concern to our HQ, we saw they were drinking from the same water supply.
The conditions are set. However, the lines are still remain challenged. The old AC asbestos lines that he has now that we need to address also.
If this takes us 6 months, then this is probably
very cheap. Doesn't cost.
Contoh sudah kata all this is good 100%. 120%. Huh? 99%. 99.9. Because this will help right now.
Yes.
We've got about what?
I've just put with you this organization to this
container, and we can do purification tablets inside. So we filter and we purify, and holding that's all household.
On behalf of the community, I must thank the Prime Minister for coming to Ba. These 400 families are in a real difficult situation. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Naka. We'll have it. No, we'll make sure that they have good drinking water.
Yes.
We can't afford to give them any water less than that. So they're going to test it.